Namaste, hello, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Today we have a beautiful guest, Hema Dadwal, all the way from Singapore. She is a very famous influencer in Singapore and also a good life advisor. So today we are going to know about the basic fundamentals of our human life and how we can make our life better day by day. So I may welcome you on the show.
Thank you, Rudransh. It's my pleasure to be in your show. Yes. Hello to all the people in Bhopal and all over the world. And I'm very pleasured. It's my privilege to be interviewed with a young budding boy, Rudransh. Yes.
So ma'am, my first question to you would be like, how can one human can become better day by day? What should he implement in his lifestyle and like be better?
Okay. Well, if you ask me, Rudransh, I feel that every human being, they should be passionate about making their life better, and that can only be happy, not chasing so many things, but chasing happiness.
Yeah.
So if they only try to be happy, remain happy, and not literally chasing means like be happy and then do whatever you are doing.
Yeah.
So when you are doing that, you will be definitely be successful. You'll be doing the things very well. You'll be interacting with the people in a very happy note, and I think with the positive notes, it's very hard to things go wrong. सब चीज़ें सही होती है, right?
आपको क्या लगता है जैसे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो लाइक दे आर इन स्कूल इन द स्कूल दे हैव लाइक लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट प्रेशर्स डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सम प्रॉब्लम्स दे कैन नॉट शेयर विद एनीवन दैट्स लाइक अ बिग प्रॉब्लम एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दोज प्रॉब्लम दे आर नॉट एबल टू फोकस इन द स्टडीज एंड उन लोग का बहुत ध्यान अलग अलग चीज़ों में जाता है हाउ कैन दे कंसंट्रेट ऑन स्टडीज हाउ कैन दे फोकस ऑन अ सिंगल थिंग
Right. So I feel it's very important. This is a message for the parents, because जो बच्चे हैं, when they are in a vulnerable growing stage, especially when they are not even no more teenagers or they are just growing and they are not adults. So it's a very conflicting age. तो बहुत सारे hormonal changes हो रहे होते हैं. There's a lot of things happening in their body also. So it's very important for the parents to be there, be there for them and to be understanding and let them have their own experiences, because ये जो बच्चे when they go through this age, because you must be in this age and you must be aware, they want to experiment, they want to explore, and in this age most of the our energies are stored and they want to they are more risk takers, so let them take those risks under the supervision, because if the parents know कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, तो they can be just दूर से कहते हैं ना, they can supervise them. पर होता क्या है कि parents are always like no, don't do this, don't, because they are not that they are bad parents or they are villains, but because they want to protect you, so they should let them have, जैसे मैं समझती हूँ कि let them make their mistakes, क्योंकि वो अपनी mistakes सीखेंगे तो उससे सीखेंगे, otherwise वो नहीं गिरेंगे तो वही नहीं सीखेंगे कि हाँ गिरने के बाद संभलना क्या होता है. सो पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा सा अलर्ट रहना चाहिए, उनके साथ रहना चाहिए, और बच्चों को भी थोड़ा सा ये होता है कि दे शुड ओपन अप, दे शुड बी एबल टू टेल एवरीथिंग व्हाट दे वांट टू डू एंड व्हाट दे वांट टू दे आर फीलिंग, बिकॉज अपनी फीलिंग्स अगर आप वो एक्सप्रेस करेंगे तो देन दे कैन बी एड्रेस्ड, क्योंकि कई बार होता है आप फीलिंग्स बताते ही नहीं हैं तो फिर इट इज़ नॉट एड्रेस. तो आई थिंक पेरेंट्स और बच्चों दोनों का ही काम है. इट्स लाइक बैलेंस. आई फील बैलेंस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो पेरेंट्स को भी थोड़ा ओपन होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं, लेट देम बी, बच्चों को खुद ग्रो करने दो, खुद मिस्टेक्स करने दो, बी देयर एज अ गाइड बट नॉट बी देयर एज अ डिक्टेटर, और बच्चों को भी ये है कि दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके माई बॉडी इज़ गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ phases, and मेरे पेरेंट्स अगर मुझे कुछ बता रहे हैं तो दे आर टेलिंग मी आउट ऑफ देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस, बिकॉज दे हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट, सो पेरेंट्स का ये होता है कि जो मैं जिससे आई हैव गॉन थ्रू मैं अभी बता दूँ उनको, सो दे आर लैकिंग दैट पेशेंस. तो पेरेंट्स में बहुत पेशेंस होना चाहिए कि ठीक है उनको अपनी मिस्टेक करने दो, और बच्चों में ये कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि मैं अगर अपनी आज मॉम को या डैड को ये भी बताऊंगा कि डैड आई एम गोइंग टू मर्डर दिस, सो दे शुड नॉट बी रिएक्टिंग बट रिस्पॉन्डिंग कि नहीं, okay, let's talk it out, you want to do this, why you want to, there should be a dialogue. तो वो होता है कि बच्चे को भी लगता है कि हाँ आई एम हर्ड. नहीं तो कि होता क्या है कि वो कुछ बोलते हैं, पेरेंट्स रिएक्ट करते हैं और वहीं पे कट हो जाता है ना कनेक्शन, तो ना वो बता पाते हैं, तो वो क्या होता है कि नहीं मेरे पेरेंट्स तो मुझे समझते नहीं, अब पेरेंट्स को लगता है ये तो हमारी बात नहीं सुनते हैं, तो दैट रिलेशनशिप गोज नोवेयर. सो या
also
did this answer helped?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think so. Like as a teenager, I think so.
You can relate with that, yes. Okay. Okay.
Also, you are a social influencer, like social media influencer. So like there are a lot of threads in social media also. Like the students, for example, the students spending a lot of time of their daily routine on social media
Yeah.
and consuming like not just good, even bad content.
Yes.
So how can a student and even a normal person, grown up man, can look after those things? Like how to manage all those things?
Oh yes, it's a very big, I'll say it's a very big challenge. जैसे कहते हैं ना, कोई भी चीज़ है वो अच्छी भी है बुरी भी है. You know, there's a the good part and bad part. Good part is yes, it's very educational, it's very informative. पर इतनी सारी information है, then you have to pick and choose. तो मैं यही कहूँगी, kids, the students, even the adults, you know, they have to be very alert कि वो क्या choose कर रहे हैं देखने में, because social media is also watching you, you know, even social platforms they are watching you. अगर आप आज बैठ के अगर अपने कमरे में बात कर रहे हैं कि oh you know this murder happened, you will see all the murder things will popping up in your feed. So you need to see what you are talking, what you are wanting and what you are searching, because जिस चीज़ पे आप टैप करेंगे वो चीज़ है. So if you are somebody who's related with, who's passionate about art, so okay, find out about art, know about the people who are into art and allot your time. You know, there should be a social networking time कि आप में अपने आप को जैसे exercise जैसे होती है, तो ये तो नहीं है कि आप पूरे दिन exercise करेंगे, right? You allot your time कि this is my exercise time, this is my gym time, this is my dinner time, this is my play time, this is my study time. तो उसी तरह आपका एक social media time भी होना चाहिए जिसमें आप बैठ के research करेंगे, आप पढ़ेंगे, जानेंगे and वो करेंगे and choose what you are doing because they are also watching you. Yeah. So that's in nutshell, because it's a wider, definitely it's, all I say that, you know, what choices you are making, it depends and that is going to define you कि आपके feed में क्या क्या आएगा, आप क्या क्या देखेंगे. और एक और चीज़ मैं बताती जाऊँ रुद्राक्ष, because you know students के जब admissions होते हैं तो उनमें उनकी social profile भी देखी जाती है. उनमें सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि social profile में उनके जो उन्होंने बताया है वो ही नहीं, पर जो उन्होंने नहीं भी बताया है, means their history. उन्होंने क्या क्या टैप किया, क्या क्या सर्च किया, क्या क्या देखा, all that thing comes when they are going for admission. So they need to be, kids need to watch out ki what they are watching, what they are tapping, are they doing illegal stuff, are they into all this kind of, they have to watch out because people are watching you.
So I mean, it's just like a suggestion to all the audience. You should follow her on her Instagram. You will get good life advices there. You will like get a good content instead of watching those all nonsense content on the social media platforms. You should probably follow her on her Instagram.
That's so sweet of you. Yeah, you don't have to, but yes, if you resonate with my content, definitely, because I am mostly talking about wellness, naturopathy. And Draksh, I would like to share my story, how I started my social media thing. Before that, I was a teacher when I was in India. I was a teacher in an international school. Then 15 years back, we shifted to Singapore, and there I consciously wanted to teach in an IB school because I was putting my son in an IB school. So I thought it's better only. So I never tried any CBC syllabus schools. I only opted for putting my application in an IB school, and I was lucky enough. The moment I was searching, within a couple of months, I got through and I was teaching in an IB school. So I taught there for 7-8 years, and during that time I used to volunteer myself to this one organization, Brahm Center, which is a mental health organization in Singapore. It's a semi-government organization. So I used to work for them, and then काम करते करते क्या हुआ कि their CEO, she always used to say कि Hema, we want to pay you this activity you are teaching and we want to pay you. So I used to say no, I don't want to be paid because this is my volunteer work. तो कहते हैं ना जो आप सेवा से कर रहे हो उसमें आप पैसा नहीं लेना पसंद करेंगे. So I used to always refuse for taking any amount of money. So she said we have to hire you then, and then they just hired me for a program leader. And during that time when they hired me, suddenly like this COVID thing happened. So COVID में क्या हुआ कि then I was there working there, but then everything was closed. And as a program leader, my responsibility was to just go conduct the programs and all that. But then everything because was locked down, so कुछ नहीं हो रहा था activity. So then they requested me, Hema, can you make some videos for our Facebook page? So then they told me to go live actually, but that time I was like 5 years back. I wasn't that confident कि भाई पता नहीं सामने live हो तो क्या निकल जाए मुझसे. So I though I was like okay, I will make videos, but I'm going to create videos and I'm going to give it to that, and then you can stream it in your Facebook channel. So I did that only for almost 2-3 months, not like 6-7 months. I made a videos, and the 30-minute video used to run in their Facebook.
Yeah.
So that's how my Instagram journey started. Then I opened my account in Instagram. And there, when I was in Instagram, Instagram, you have to have some niche, कि आप किस चीज़ पे स्पेशल हो, कि क्या बताना चाहते हो. So my niche was, I was like, कि I know my niche, but then I asked people that, what do you think that I should be promoting? They said, Hema, you should promote fashion, you should promote this and that. I said, yes, I'm fashionable, but that's not my passion, So then I started showing my daily rituals, my daily practices. And my daily practices, which I'm doing since my like 10-15 years, which I'm continuing, and which is making me very healthy, happy, and very productive person. So I started sharing my daily rituals, like walking, my Jal Niti practice, my oil pulling. So all these practices I start, my breathing practice. So the oil pulling the oil pulling video that got viral, it had got 3 million plus views and all that, and that's how the Instagram shoot up and all that. And then I start getting a lot of collaborations with the nice products. So यही बात होती है कि आप you stick to your principles, your values. क्योंकि मैं stick रही कि नहीं, fashion भी है. Like I also, like all the young girls who are there, I do share my sustainable fashion hacks. So बहुत सारे hair styles and all that also I share, and makeup tips also. But that's not my passion, because I feel वो भी ज़रूरी है, because fashion enhances your confidence. Yeah, if you look nice, your confidence go to the next level. But my passion was holistic lifestyle, how a natural way we can keep ourselves healthy. And I'm very happy that now I am sharing all my knowledge with the youngsters, teenagers, adults, everyone in Singapore, and spreading this naturopathy, Ayurveda style, Ayurvedic practices to Singaporeans who might be not aware of these practices.
Yeah. You talked about like Singaporeans who might not be aware. Even in the India, lots of population do not know about Ayurveda.
Yes, that's so ironic है. कितना joke है. Like it's like बहुत दुख होता है ये जान के. लेकिन मेरे को लगता है उदाक्ष, thanks to Corona, because Corona के दौरान बहुत चीजें हुई ups and down, बहुत चीजें बदली, social dynamics बदले. लेकिन एक चीज बहुत अच्छी चीज हुई कि people are more aware, है ना, for health, more aware of immunity, and more aware of how to stay healthy, right?
Also, one more thing you just said about how you became an influencer. There are a lot of people who want to be an influencer, or like they're trying. But what happened? They tried for 1 year and they're not getting growth. So they just fed up and leave that thing there.
Yeah. So yes, you see, consistency is a key for anything. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है ये जो सोशल मीडिया में आपको ओवरनाइट वो मिलेगा, नहीं. आपकी कोई एक रील वायरल होगी और आप ओवरनाइट स्टार बन सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपके दिल में, आपके दिमाग में ये बिल्कुल आप यू आर फोकस्ड दैट वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग इट्स ऑथेंटिक, and I want your intentions are authentic and you are passionate about it. So passionately करते रहिए, 1 साल नहीं, 2 साल नहीं, 3 साल नहीं, 5 साल तक करते रहिए. जब आपको आपकी किस्मत, क्योंकि अगर आपका पैशन होगा तो वो आपके काम में, आपके कंटेंट में, आपकी क्रिएशन में दिखेगा. So don't give up, keep trying, but don't just उसी के भरोसे नहीं बैठे रहिए. अपने और भी चीज़ों को, अपने आप को अपस्किल कीजिए, अपने आप को कहते हैं ना, अपने आप को थोड़ा और एजुकेट कीजिए. मे बी आप जो दिखा रहे हैं, it's not up to the quality is not good. So keep upgrading yourself.
Yeah. So what do you think? What a diet that a person should follow?
Oh yes, the diet should be always balanced. और अगर आप जितना healthy खाएंगे, मतलब you can avoid packaged food, any kind of a packaged food. It's a big no from my end. Okay, start your day with a healthy proteins, healthy oils, जैसे कि coconut, because मेरा day start होता है oil pulling से. तो I clean my, और कहते हैं hygiene, take care of your hygiene. So diet में तो हमेशा fresh, lively food खाइए, packaged food में खाइए, because I believe the packaged food is dead food. So always, yes, it's ultra processed, it is very bad for your gut, it is not good for your mental growth, your physical growth, anything. तो और ये जो fake protein shakes and all that हैं, उनको भी big no from my end. So try to consume real food, natural food, maybe a fruit or vegetables from your garden. फ्रॉम योर किचन, यू नो, मम्मी के हाथ के हुए खाने का तो मतलब उसमें है ताकत।
अलग स्वाद भी होता है,
स्वाद भी है और ताकत भी है।
It was like really nice talking to you, ma'am, about all these topics. Now, at last, if there was a one advice you want to give to all the humans, what it would be?
Well, from my end is this only, that always stay happy. खुश रहें और खुशी के पीछे चेस मत करिए, उसके पीछे भागिए मत। खुश रह के आप जो भी करेंगे ना वो अच्छा ही होगा, ठीक है? सो स्टे हैप्पी एंड डू वट एवर ड्यूटीज़ कम योर वे, चाहे वो एक बेटे का रोल है, चाहे एक बेटी का रोल है, चाहे वाइफ का रोल है, चाहे हस्बैंड का रोल है, चाहे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का रोल, जो भी रोल आप करें पर खुश रहें। सो व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी, आई थिंक एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इन प्लेस।
So thank you, ma'am, for coming on this podcast.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.